If you crash and listen to an insurance company, you're in big trouble.
We're the biker lawyers, and we take on insurance companies every day to help injured bikers recover.
Simply accepting what an insurance adjuster tells you isn't enough. You deserve what your crash is actually worth, and that's where we can help.
Because we're not only bikers, we're also lawyers, which means we're all about biker rights on the road and in the courtroom.
Welcome to the Biker Rebellion. Don't click off just yet. There's a video right here exposing how big insurance scams their customers out of millions.